Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I make weekly videos that hopefully inspire your sketchbook habit. Speaking of your sketchbook habit, I wrote a book about that. It's called Life is Better When You Draw It. It's in English and it's an illustrated book for people who love drawing and who need inspiration. It's about how drawing can make you happy and mindful. And in the book, I share ways to embrace the daily sketchbook habit. I share tips and lots of drawings from my own sketchbooks. The book will be available for you to purchase in just a couple of weeks, and I'm aiming for mid-July. Sign up for my email list so I can send you an email as soon as it's ready for purchase. Today's video is a sketchbook tour. I love flipping through other people's sketchbooks. It's so inspiring, and my hope is that the book I made will feel like you are going through my sketchbooks. If you're interested in the book, follow the link in the description of this video. This sketchbook that I am showing you right now contains all kinds of things. Moments on a terrace, sitting down, relaxing with my sketchbook, evening sketches while watching Netflix, trying stuff out, a live model drawing, finding out how to draw greens, more terrace sketches, but also just couch potato stuff. My husband always is a very great subject for me to draw. I also learn a lot in my sketchbook, like how to combine things. This drawing was done in 3 different places and still feels like one. And actually it is one because it is my registration of a really great day, which started inside a cafe for lunch. Then I went to a museum where I didn't draw, but I did glue in the little band that I got there for entrance. And after that, I sat outside drawing a street, and it does feel like one place, while it is not a place that actually exists. And I find that very exciting. This is another one of those drawings where I'm really learning how to capture a moment, or actually capture lots of moments, because this was done during a 1-hour drive. And of course, when you drive on the highway, everything flashes by. So how can you then capture all the stuff that you see? And so you have to edit to tell your story. I wanted to draw the cars around us, and I had a hard time drawing those. I also wanted to show the green, the blue sky, but also that we were going from city to city. So I did want to include some buildings, and I did all of that in just this one view, which of course is not like a snapshot. It's just a lot of images that I saw each time I looked up from my sketchbook outside the window. And I find it fascinating how you can lengthen a moment, but also capture a longer time in just one drawing. And then I started to think about it, thinking to take that even a little bit further by drawing something that exists, but then what if it was surrounded by something completely different? I took reference pictures from the internet, jungle photos and garden photos and stuff like that, to surround our little humble toilet in our city apartment where there's not a lot of green around it. So this might be a little bit of a weird drawing, but I had so much fun doing this. It gave me ideas about how you can capture one place and interpret it in your own way. Lots of little elements to create a sketch collage. Drawing in a busy cafe. I met someone there who was also a sketcher, and because I was drawing, I actually inspired him to close his laptop and do a drawing as well. These are drawings that I did during a workshop I took from Santi Sayes. I did a video about the part of the workshop where we were learning about mixing greens, and I posted that a couple weeks ago. This part was all about food, and we went to the market, which was very exciting and a little bit scary, but yeah, really fun. I hope you liked it. I really enjoy flipping through a sketchbook that I finished just to remember all the moments that I sat down to draw and enjoy the process. And yeah, I hope it's inspiring for you too. I hope you will go and draw and fill a page right now. Page by page, you will fill a whole sketchbook and another and another. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my video. If you like my Draw Tip Tuesday videos, you might also like my live online drawing sessions, in which I give some instruction and an assignment for us to work on during the 1-hour mini workshop. You can find more information about that in a link below this video. And I hope to see you live online. And otherwise, I'll be back next week with another Draw Tip Tuesday. Bye!